Hi, my name is Steve Stine from guitarzoom.com, and today I'm going to show you a simple trick to memorize the major scale across the fretboard. Now, in truth, you could do this with any scale that you're learning, but let's break down the major scale here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be in the key of A major, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the notes out on the 6th string, having 3 notes on this 1 string. So I'm going to play 5, 7, and 9, which means I'm playing the notes A, B, and C sharp. And then on the next string, I'm going to play the notes D, E, and F. So I have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F. Now, most important, what I want you to recognize is that I'm playing this shape, this symmetrical shape that's going 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And now I've played the first 6 notes of the 7 notes of the major scale. Because the major scale, just so we understand, is 7 notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and then do would be the octave, the 8th note. So we're playing 7 different notes. So we've already got 6 of them right here. Now, needless to say, the execution of this might be a bit of a struggle at first if you've never done this before, trying to get comfortable with being able to play 5, 7, and 9 technically. Some people like to use their 3rd finger instead of their middle finger, whatever works for you, okay? So, and we still have one more note. So what I'm going to do is take that 7th note and I'm going to get there by doing this. So I'm just going up 2 frets or a whole step from the last note that I played of this 6-note sequence. Right there. Now I could pick that note, I could slide that note. Again, right now what we're looking at is finding it and then expanding it. How you use it creatively is entirely up to you. So I've got my 7 notes now. Now what's cool is once I've done that shift, right here on the 7th fret of the 4th string is an octave of the note I started on. So when I go right here, I'm going to play the exact same shape. And I'm 1 octave higher. Now what I love about teaching this is when you see this layout of these 7 notes, you can literally count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see them sitting right there. And then, of course, the 7th note out here. So you can start exploring 1 and 5 and 6 and 4. You can see all the notes sitting right there. If you know anything about your theory, maybe your chords, that sort of thing, you know, intervals. And then right here, boom, I'm in the next octave. And I can make stuff there. And come back, of course. So I have. And then. Now right here, we're going to do exactly the same thing, but we do have to move up 1 fret. So we're going to be at the 10th fret. Okay? Because of the tuning of the guitar. So now I've got. So here they are. And then finally, there's the octave again. So you'd be able to see all 3 of those octaves, which are the same symmetrical shape, moving up and how they connect to each other. So the first thing is get used to this position, get really comfortable with being able to play it, being able to visualize it, then connect it to the 2nd position. And what I would strongly recommend is moving back and forth between these 2 positions. Okay? Get comfortable with being able to move, however, not just playing it as a scale, but moving around. Just looking at different kinds of ways that you can kind of shift through these. And then, of course, you've got your 3rd octave as well, this one, that you can connect to as well. So, thank you for watching this video. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to support the channel so we can continue to bring you more free content, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications and let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you'd like more in-depth training and courses, go to guitarzoom.com and get started for free today.